Hi, well, we're on page 5, so we're almost halfway through. Well done. Hope you're enjoying it so far. Okay, so page 5, here's my page map for here. This is a very simple page, just with 3 diagonal pockets. Be one there, one there, one there. And for this process, this is your pocket page. And then you cut one piece of black card, 7.5 by 7.5, and then you're just going to cut it across at an angle, and I think it's yeah, it's 5 inches. So what you do is put a little mark there at 5 inches and a little mark there at 5 inches and cut straight across. Okay, so I'm just going to take that off because I've already cut it. So that will then be your black card fitting on there, and then that will be your other pocket there, and this piece is from that bit of card there. Okay, so that's like that. You're going to take your piece of paper, you're going to cut that to 7 3/8 by 7 3/8. Okay, and then you're going to measure down here, and you're going to cut. In fact, what I did, I remember now, I took my piece that I'd already cut and I measured that across first of all. So I popped the edge of my paper so I had a little border there, and then I made a little mark on my decorative paper there and there, and cut straight down. Okay, so that's that one, like that, which will sit on there. And then I've got another one here. So this one, I took the black card here, I took my remaining piece of paper, put it on there like that, lined it up, and I turned it over and did exactly the same, made my little marks there, but then I cut, when I cut it so it was more that way, so that this piece will come off and fit on there like that. So you will end up, that will be your main big pocket like that. This piece will stick onto your base page like that. So you stick that one on first. This is your pocket here, but because it's got this bit at the top, you'll need to put glue along there as well, and along there, so that one will stick on there. So that's your pocket, and then you put this one on here, and that's your pocket. So we're going to do that now and make sure that all the pattern matches up. And I can see here, guess what I didn't do? But it does make a difference if you don't ink the edges. It does make a difference. I'm just going to do the bits that we can see. And this is a good page layout to do if you've got a page that's quite patterned and you want to use it but you're not really sure what to do with it. The other thing you could do obviously is use your pattern page like this, but instead of cutting diagonals, cut this way following the line of the pattern with your black card behind. So anything that's really complicated or quite a rigid repeated pattern, this is a quite easy page layout to use. So we'll stick our top one first. Pop that on there. Then we're going to stick this one onto here. So that's our pocket. So we're going to put glue along here, 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 and there. going to stick on there like that. This glue will come off once it's dry, because it dries clear. Just rub it off like that. Okay. Then your next piece is going to go here, so you're going to, as you stick it, you're going to make sure that your pattern lines up. Okay, get that lined up there, like that. Last piece. Stick onto there. Line up. Now I can see that I'm a bit wonky with that one, so just move that around a bit. Okay, now, if that's not straight for you and it's going to drive you mad, and it will drive me mad, pick a ruler without magnets on. Okay, just line it up so it's slightly straight. Take your black marker pen, just run down like that, and you've got a nice neat edge. Same here. That looks much better. And it's little things like that, because you will, if you're very precise about things, or as you start to go through the book, you'll notice and you'll think, oh, that's not straight. Okay, we'll put that there. And sometimes it's purely and simply because you haven't cut your card. You might have just not cut it exactly to an eighth, you know, an eighth of an inch. So that's that there. Okay, and then looking at that there, I can see that my black card is too wide there. So these are all little things you can do just to help finish off your album properly. That's it. There's a little smidge there. Okay, and now you've got it all like that. But me being me, I can also see now that that one is very slightly off, and Kay is thinking, come on, get on with it. But I'm sorry, Kay, I just have to do it because it will drive me mad, otherwise that's too wide, that end.
You just carry on.
I'm going to. Right, okay, so that's that one there.
I must have gone and make a cup of tea.
Right, but now look, you can see that's nice and neat and all lined up, and that is a really easy layout to do. So you've got a pocket there and you've got a pocket there. That's page 5.
Okay, there you go.